Hey guys, today I'm making the famous Chipotle chicken. It's a very simple recipe. Marinate your chicken and forget about it. I'm just gonna add my spices, the Chipotle pepper. I'm using dried Chipotle peppers here, the lemon juice, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of olive oil. And for this recipe, always use skinless, boneless chicken thighs. More flavor and more tender. I mix and I leave in the fridge for 2 hours, or you can do it the night before and grill it the next day. 2 hours later, the chicken looks amazing and it's ready to grill. Leave the chicken to come to room temperature a little bit before grilling. And as always, check the description box below for all the ingredients and all the amounts. And I want to mention you can use jarred chipotle peppers instead of the dried. We're gonna grill the chicken on very high heat, 5 minutes on each side. If you like what you see so far, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes, and follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. And the chicken is ready. I let it cool a little bit before slicing. I slice into cubes and I serve with lettuce, grilled vegetables, guacamole, chips and queso, whatever you like. It's a yummy, easy recipe. I hope you give it a try soon, and until next time, bon appetit! And for great beef fajitas, don't forget to check out my recipe. I'll leave the link in the description box below.